Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Uyabona makuthiwa ene umuntu uqhuba intwala ngewisi kusuke kushiwo usibanda uyadedela guys, and he likes making things up, and quite a few times bamtshelile etshelo umnisi kanye no Atheni Ramosepe ukuthi stop twisting things around to accuse number 1 and number 2. The whole thing, for example, what happened at Vilera Uguti, did the police come maybe to check on you and all of that? Utande had said in February sometime in 2024, he had said no. Bewingis, Mina, I only know Ekoshumampuru, police will come and check us out, and but Vilera Kazakuza. I mean, that's not even a big deal, that thing. It did happen, guys. You were not there. Guys. And things change in the police stations. There's hourly check-ins, Baba checker, and then be like, okay, how are you guys? What's going on? Cell phone or whatever. And the guys, Untanzi did not have a cell phone, and this guy is pushing a narrative that Untanzi had a cell phone. It's being forced to believe that as South Africans, that crap. I mean, I'm never gonna believe that. Untanzi had a cell phone. He's been trying to push it. No advocates in this idea are losing it with this guy. They're just like, please, you need to stop, eh? You need to stop twisting things. And he lies. Oh my word. I got Dr. Sibanda. I was getting Gitlanz life. It's not gonna end well. And the problem with this, just as much as we are marching on the 19th, the court did prove that there is no way Untanzi could have had a cell phone. Out of all the 5 police stations I have faka kozona ekisho yomukhola nomukho nalo abathi late maben lo muntu. Well, I don't even want to tell you ukuthi one person what they once said about him. Go back, I want to he's late. Let's just leave it at that. And the whole thing, man, you would say, no, he's late. Let's just leave him. But the stuff he did, oh my gosh. I'm just like, so it has proven good Untanzi could never have a cell phone, guys. Like in Kanjan, because among many, they don't work it. Mangamanjan learning, they can't even move around. Now among.
I just want to understand the terminology that you use.
Was he
brought in or booked in? I want to understand the terminology that you use.
Captain ke uyawakhuluma ke ngelinye igama ke esiqala ukubuzwa la icourt noma ke ngimazi ke kumdlali ke odumile ke weKaizer Chiefs ke uDavid Mathebula. Ngifuna ukwazi ke inkulumo ngendlela okhuluma ngayo ke ulethiwe esoka ndawana thize noma ke baye bamfaka khona afake emaseleni wena.
Wathi uboshwe asetraining amletha emaseleni wethu.
It was said that he was arrested on a train and was brought into our cell.
He was booked in. He was booked in as he entered into the registers.
Yes. Wabhalwa phansi kuma register wena. Yes.
When was that? Do you remember the year and the month and the dates when that happened?
Usakhumbula ke usuku nenyanga futhi nonyaka ngalenkathi ke ebhalwa kuma register wena.
Ngisho angisakhumbuli kodwa naso lesikhathi sabontazi.
Unfortunately, I cannot recall my lord. However, it was during the same period as Ntanzi and them.
So he spent nights there in Vilera police station.
Manje ke uthi yena lo David Mathebula ke wachitha isikhathi lapha eVilera police station insuku lapha eVilera police station.
Kunjalo.
That is correct.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you, Captain, for your evidence. Thank you, my daughter. No further
questions.
Thank you.
Yes, any questions? Mr.
We do have questions, my lord. Good morning, Kenneth. Captain.
Good morning, sir.
Do you have the SAP14, original SAP14 register in front of you there?
Una ke SAP14 original lapha kwakho? No, I don't have.
For the 2nd of July 2020?
Yang i-choose July 2020. Awunayo? I don't have.
Have you seen it?
Ukuyibona? No. I did see some registers, my lord, but I did not see exactly for which period.
Even prior to you giving evidence today, you've never seen that register?
Manje leyo register even ngaphambi kokuthi ubufakazi bakho la enkantolo zange uyibone.
Can you identify that register?
Ungasitshela ukuthi yini le register?
Yeah, boy, SAP 14.
It's SAP 14, my lord.
Of which station?
AP police station,
Villela Police Station.
Villeria police station.
So you are familiar with this register.
So into yaziyo le register uyayazi le register.
Yeah, boss.
Yes, my lord.
And then you confirm that you are a relief commander at Villeria SAPS.
And yavuma ukuthi wena ke relief commander
Kanjalo.
lapha eVilleria cells. That is correct.
You are well acquainted with the standing orders of the South African Police Services.
And angithi uyazi ukuthi ke amaphoyisa la eNingizimu asebenza kanjani.
Yeah, boy.
Yes.
Now, is this register also a source of information within the South African Police Services?
Manje le register le yinye futhi ke nikeza information ke lamaphoyisa la eNingizimu Afrika.
Kunjalo.
That is correct.
Can I regard this register as a primary source of information?
Ngisho ngithi ke yenye ke izindlela ke sithola information ngayo ke kule register.
Kusengaza.
Yes.
Let's say, for instance, in this instance, we do not know, or we don't know what happened to the SAP-10 for this period. Can I use this register to at least get some information?
Manje masithi ke mhlambe ke asazi ukuthi ke SAP-10 ikuphi ke singasebenzisa le register le phambi kwakho manje uthola information esidingayo.
Ayonke.
Not all the information.
This is some information.
Yes. Yes, my lord.
Can I get the name of the suspect?
Manje kule register ngathola igama ke lakhe umuntu osolwayo.
Kunjalo.
Correct.
Can I get the date in which they were brought into the cells?
Usuku ngalenkathi belethwe emaselini.
Kunjalo.
Correct.
Can I get the station as well as the case number?
The station futhi ne case number ngakuthola lokho.
Kunjalo boss.
Yes.
The charge?
Nokuthi ubosholeni.
Yebo.
Yes.
Information on whether they've been taken to see a medical practitioner?
Ngathola information ukuthi mhlambe wathathwa isaka kudokotela.
Kunjalo.
That is correct.
Can I get whether they had personal property as well as SAP-13?
Nokuthi ke bebanazo into ngezabo futhi ne SAP-13.
Ka.
No.
Let me then refer you briefly to column 8.1 and 8.3 and 8.4.
Ngicela ubheke ke 8.3 no 8.4.
Yebo.
Yes.
What does it say?
Ithini?
8.3. SAPS 22 receipt.
Received
Receipt number.
or receipt number.
What does that mean?
8.3
Kusho ukuthi mangabe ekanayo iproperty.
it refers to if the suspect had property.
So it does reflect on this
Yeah,
register,
kodwa
right?
ayisho ukuthi yebo.
Yes, it does reflect on this register. However, it does not indicate or specify which property.
But it does show us whether there was a property booked or not.
Kunjalo
Kodwa,
boss.
that is correct, my lord.
And then if there's an SAP-13, will it indicate?
Uma ngabe kune SAP-13 izokhomba lokho?
Izokhomba boss.
Yes, it will.
And then will it show the time in which a detainee was booked in and out?
Iyakhomba futhi nesikhathi ke umuntu oboshiwe ngalenkathi ke efaka noma ngalenkathi futhi ekhishwa.
Iyakhomba boss.
Yes, it does.
And the date in which they are booked for court?
Nesuku ke lapho kumele ukuthi bahambe baye court ngalo.
Kanjalo.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes.
The date in which they were charged?
Nosuku lapho bathweswa khona amacala.
Yeah.
Yes, it does.
And then it goes on to show date of sentence, date when the sentence lapses, date of release as well.
Iyakhombisa futhi ke nesigwebo nokuthi isigwebo sophela nini nokuthi ke ukhishwe nini.
Yebo.
Yes.
So will you agree that this document gives information over and above the SAP-10?
Uyavuma ukuthi ke iwona lencwadi ke nayo ikhona ke information ekunikeza yona ke.
Ikhona.
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you. So, you said when this document is completed, okay, let me start this. Between the SAP-10 as well as the SAP-14, which one is completed first?
Manje ke phakathi ke kwa SAP-10 no SAP-14 eyiphi egcwaliswa kuqala?
SAP-10.
SAP-10.
So the occurrence book is registered before a suspect is entered into the cell SAP-14 register.
Manje
That's what you're saying.
occurrence book ke xa saqala ngaphambi ukuthi suspect ke afake eselini.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
As he comes or she comes in.
So let me get this right. You first register that Bangani Ntanzi is detained inside the occurrence book, and then you later go and register him in the cell register. Is that what you're saying?
Cha, no, that is not what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
Uthini?
Incwadi oza nazo ngesikhathi esisodwa.
Yes.
Kodwa njengoba uletha umuntu uyafika ngithi bese ngiyabhala suspect detained man. Bhala igama lakhe.
Makala, it's the books that you come with at the same time, my lord. But now what you'll do, you write that the suspect is detained and then you write the name of the suspect.
Where do you write?
Ubhala kuphi?
OB.
On the OB book.
Okay. Yes. So yes. So you are writing an occurrence, correct?
Yes.
ubhala kuqala ku-occurrence.
Yes.
Yes.
But the suspect has not yet been detained in
No.
the SAP-14.
Kodwa-ke suspect akakabhalwa kwe-SAP-14.
Uphethe uzombhala ku-OB bezofaka i-information yakhe. Kahle kahle into ebhalwa zibhalwa ngesikhathi esisodwa. Kuyenzeka zibhalwa abantu abawu-2.
Actually, these are things that are written at the very same time. Sometimes two people,
Wait.
they are in pairs, they are together. So sometimes two people will write the information.
So you are backtracking on your first answer that the occurrence book is written first, correct?
Makungedwa.
If I am alone, that is what I'll do first.
But my question is, are you backtracking on your first answer?
Manje-ke,
That cannot be correct. In evidence in chief, the question that I posed was, are they written in simultaneously? He said yes. So where's the backtracking there?
umbuso-ke nawo umbuso nawo uyasho ukuthi manje-ke soyashintsha manje soyasuka lapha kule mpendulo yakhe yokuqala-ke uramsipho lasukuma athi inkosi enkantolo ngale nkathi-ke ngibuza imibuzo-ke ngiye ngasho ngathi ngiye ngambuza umbuzo washo ufakazi wathi-ke le ncwadi lezi zibhalwa zombili ngesikhathi esisodwa-ke. I saw all of them, my lord. Then I also interacted with Mr. Ntanzi just to find out from him if he was okay, no complaints. That is what happened.
Were there any complaints?
Bekhona-ke mhlawumbe kumhluphayo? No.
Did you note any injuries?
Wena ngokuya ngawo uma umbuka-ke Mr. Ntanzi-ke bekanokulimala okubonakalayo? No.
Thank you. And then he says, or they say, I want to just put them together, that there were no hourly visits at Valeria police stations.
Manje-ke mangibafaka bobabili-ke bathi boba
Sorry, Mr. Interpreter. This is yet one of those mischaracterization of evidence, especially of number 1 and 2. They said personally, in the cells in which they were detained, they've never seen a person coming to them and asking them as individuals, not the entire station.
umntana Ramsipho uthi-ke inkosi enkantolo-ke sengiyabona manje ngendlela-ke umbuso ubeka ngakhona manje-ke awubeki ngendlela ekwenzakale ngayo. U1 no2 bathe bona lapho bona bebegcinwe khona akuzange kuze kube khona-ke umuntu ozazobavakashela. Azange bakhulume ngayo yonke i-police station ukuthi-ke azange kube khona-ke abantu abahambayo beyovakashela abantu abagcinwe ngaphakathi.
Okay, let me respond. Proceedings of 9 February 2024 on page 69. Accused 2. My lord, there were no cell visits. The only time where I was questioned if I had a complaint, started seeing that in Rustenburg. Even at Khoshi Mampuru, my lord, they do such. They come and ask if you have any complaint or you are sick. I have never seen such treatment at the police stations.
That is accused number 2. Okay, masibheke-ke ufakazi-ke obukakho umsolwa wesibili-ke Mzansi Ntanzi-ke we-9 zikaFebruwari upage number 69 lapho ethi-ke inkosi enkantolo-ke bewangekho-ke ama-cell visit lapho bengikhona-ke ama-cell visit ngawabona phakathi se-Rustenburg nale nkathi ngisekhoshi Mampuru. Ekhoshi Mampuru nabayakwenzela ukuthi bazokuwe bazokubuza ukuthi-ke kuhamba kanjani, kodwa emaselini angikaze ngabona-ke ukuvakashelwa kwamasela.
This is the court matter. Now that the state has taken the liberty to read what it has been placed on record, from a vantage point and from an educated mind, what does that mean from the state's point of view?
Is that procedure, Mr. This gentleman is supposed to be, and I'm not diminishing your status, supposed to be a legal representative representing the state, and is cross-examining a witness. Are you saying he must explain his cross-examination to you or to who?
That's the reason, my lord, why I initially started saying that was a misconceptualization of information or of evidence that came from accused 1 and 2. Mr. Ramsipho stood up and said it was a mischaracterization of evidence.
Now he's quoted the record.
Yes.
What about it?
But the record does not say, my lord. There was no visitation in the entire police station. It says I've never, where I was kept, had a visitation.
Okay, yes, fine.
Nowhere in the record is stated that in the entire police station of Valeria there was no such visitation. As we are saying, misconceptualization and mischaracterization.
Yeah, I will get that with the,
From an
with the
educated
captain
mind,
here.
my lord.
Fortunately, he's here, the captain.
From an educated mind, my lord, we need to put this thing in the proper perspective because we're here to assist the court. We're not here to mislead the court, but we assist the court. And that is what the defense is trying to do. Thank you.